Getting a Threads account is really easy, especially considering that there is a good chance you already have an Instagram one. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are adding a little spice to your Threads profile by telling you how you can change your Threads bio. Now if you're starting off with a fresh Threads account, your bio, profile picture and everything else will of course be empty. The good thing is you can update your bio, profile picture and everything else from both the Threads website and the Threads phone app. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a look at the Threads website. Just open it up, log in with your account and then head over to this sidebar and click on your profile button. In here you can see that this is my profile and there is an edit profile button. Click it and as you can see your profile picture, name, bio and links. If I click on the bio option, a new window opens up. So I can now type in a new bio if I want, or I can just click this button and import my bio from the connected Instagram profile. So this bio is of course brought up from my connected Instagram profile, and those are your two options to edit bios when using Threads on the web browser. Once you're done, click the done button and then click the done button again right here. Your changes will be saved. Changing your Threads bio is actually quite a simple task. The first thing that you have to do obviously is head over to the profile page and in here tap on the edit profile button. Now you will see your name, bio and a link for the bio and a slider to make your profile private. Since we're working with the bio, go ahead and tap on the bio field and now you can type in your new bio. You can also import an existing bio from your Instagram account that's connected to your Threads account. Once you're done making the changes, go ahead and tap the tick icon in the top right and your new bio is saved. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below if you have any thoughts or if you just want to leave us a comment. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.